Here is BreatheIQ app, quite popular trending app right now. So yeah, BreatheIQ by sleep number helps uncover more help from your snore. Your snore is more than just a sound. It may be your body trying to tell you something, and BreathIQ is here to help you translate. Developed by the sleep health experts, the Sleep Number Health and BreathIQ app goes beyond tracking your snore to help you actually understand what it means and why it matters for your health. So yeah, just advanced technology which identify which sounds are coming from each sleeper. So you can measure from your home, take a measurement, see your results, listen to your snore. So pretty interesting concept. So now you have this app, and then you need to create. So now finally you created your account and you can uncover your snore, take control of your breath, and then you just need to fill out your profile. Quite a lot of onboarding on this app. You need to do, like, you just add in some basic info in this app, and then you just adding it in here. Then you just add in your, and then basically finally you can start measurement. You can see your results. You can see, and then you can, if you start measurement, BreathIQ use advanced to identify which sounds account from each sleeper. To get accurate result, make sure both sleepers start the measurement. Each individual sleeper will receive results for their own snoring. And then yeah, you can just set it up like that, and then you can give access to your mic. So yeah, basically then you just can measure it. There are like some discover things, and yeah, that's the idea. And then there are your results, which you can measure it. I don't know how like precise this app is, but that's the idea. So quite fun.